Welcome to the in front of me TCL Top 10 L, and I'll show you how to turn on always on display feature on this device. So to do that, we should first open the Play Store, and here in the search bar let's enter Muviz Edge. We should get the application because unfortunately we have not installed by default the always on display feature on our device. That's why tap here to install and just wait a couple of seconds while this application downloading and then installing on your device. After that, just tap here to open the app and let's click here to draw our apps. Now let's select the Muviz Edge application and click here once on this feature. After that, let's go back again to the application, and here we should tap to AOD and select one from these available tabs. For example, let's use this one, then click here to apply and let's just lock the device. Tap twice on the power button and now we can see that the always on display feature successfully activated. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.